Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. I just thought I would pop on today with a small fall haul. I might have picked up a couple of candles at Bath & Body Works and run into Homegoods for a couple little fall items, and I thought I would go ahead and share them with you because you know I love the Bath & Body candles, and now I'm using them so often, I'm even buying them guilt-free. So let's dig right into this. It looks like an oversized bag, but it's because at my shop, mine, what they give you is an oversized drink carrier. It holds 6, but I only have 4 candles. Now I'm feeling sad about it. Whenever I do these, I always say I was a Yankee Candle girl. I loved Yankee candles. I used them for everything. And then I noticed they weren't burning as well as they used to. I felt like I had more left in the jar. And whenever I would pop over to my daughter's, her house always smelled so good. And I would always be like, what is that? And she'd say, Bath & Body Works, Autumn Breeze. And I was like, you know what? I got to try them. And I have not turned back. I burn a candle almost every day. I just love the scents. And now it's fall. So yay, new scents. Okay, let's just dive right in here and see what I've got. The first one is cinnamon bark, and I was afraid it would smell a little Christmassy, but it doesn't. It has a real fall scent to it, so something about the bark, and they've made it look like birch, and it even has a really pretty lid, which is great for me to keep them until I use them, but once I use them and it's the candle that I'm using, I take the lid off because it scents the entire room that it's in with a cold throw, even before you light it. That is one of the things I love about these candles. Oh, it smells so good. It smells kind of like a cross between cinnamon and, deliciousness. I don't know what else. So whenever I used to do my unboxings, I would bring up my iPad and look it up until somebody said to me, and thank you whoever you are, I'm sorry I don't remember who it was, said to me, you know, they write those fragrance notes on the bottom of the jar, and I was like, oh, it's very clever. So they are indeed down here. So the fragrance notes of this are cinnamon sticks, clove buds, so that's kind of what starts moving into the fall of it, vanilla bean, white cedar, and essential oils. So I love it. It has that sweet of the vanilla back. It just smells wonderful. This is probably the first one I'm going to burn. So about the candles, they are, as you can see, they are 3-wick candles, and they burn. I've always had great luck with them burning. I have had one, maybe 2, I think just one though, that I had to pour some wax off because I guess I burned it too long maybe and the wicks burnt down, so I ended up with too big a wax pool, but I just poured a little wax off and then it was fine, but I think that was user error. But this says that it's high concentrations of rich fragrance oils that deliver room-filling fragrance, and that is absolutely true. I find that it delivers house-filling fragrance. It is a patented soy blend wax that's formulated to provide the best fragrance experience, created with premium lead-free wicks, 100% guaranteed, and it burns 25 to 45 hours. I have told the story in the past that I was talking to someone who had one that burned bad, kind of like the one I did, and it was operator error. And she took it back to the store and she was like, look, it's not burning well. And they said, yeah, pick out another one. So they absolutely stand behind these candles too. And let me take the opportunity to say they are $24.50, but they are so often on sale for $10 off. I would advise anybody, unless you're in a candle emergency and you have to run right out and get them regardless, wait for the sale. They go on sale $10 off a lot. Also, Bath & Body Works does a lot. If you spend $40, $10 off your purchase. Sometimes they even do 10 off 30. But they do 10 off 40 a lot. So I purchased these $24.50 each. So I got them for $14.50 each. And then because I had 4 and it was over 40, another 10 came off. So they were really close to just $10 a candle. And I'd wait because they offer that sale a lot. Let's see what else I've got. Oh, this is another pretty one. This is Marshmallow Fireside. Doesn't that just make it, oh, I don't know where you are, but it is staying so warm here that I did my closet exchange and I'm down to all of my 3/4 length and long sleeve shirts and I'm dying because it's so hot. Marshmallow Fireside. It's going to smell like fall even if it doesn't feel like fall. Oh, it smells so good. Smells like marshmallowy and kind of a men's cologne. I know that sounds weird. Trust me. It's not weird. It's delicious. And this one is a gray interior. And we don't often see different colors. I mean, you'll see like the beiges and the rustier, caramellier colors, but this is a nice dark one. So this is what that one looks like. And the lid on this one is gold. Let's see what the fragrance notes are. Toasted marshmallow, smoldering woods, fire roasted vanilla, crystallized amber. Fall, right? Okay. I love the candles and I love having fun with you guys. Tell me below what your favorite scents are. Oh, I got this one because of my husband. It is pumpkin peanut brittle and he loves peanut brittle. And this is what that front looks like. And look, this one even has a pretty top. So pretty. It smells so good, right? Oh, it smells like a cross between peanut brittle and a little bit of pumpkin in it. Oh, you know. So, and we're dieting now, so I'm going to be tormenting us. He's going to be walking in the door. Babe, what are you baking? Candle. It's always a very sad story. Okay, let's see what the fragrance notes are. Crunchy caramel brittle, salty peanuts, toasted pumpkin seeds. It's delicious. And last but not least, it makes me sad even saying that. I'm glad I have a couple decorations over there. Oh, pumpkin pecan waffles. So I have two that focus on pumpkin and nuts. Pumpkin peanut brittle and pumpkin pecan waffles. This is what that one looks like. They also, just for the record, in all of these scents, in every scent they carry, I think, they usually have each scent, like I chose pumpkin pecan waffles. They also had some that looked, you know, kind of like this. I chose this one because it's going to go in my kitchen, and I thought it was a real kitchen-y look. But I chose this one because I thought I might put it up here or in my living room, and I thought this was a better look for up here. So they make the same scent with the same words, but often in different covers so you can make it suit your decor. They're geniuses. Pumpkin pecan. Yes, that is what it smells like. This says maple syrup, golden waffles, pumpkin spice, and brown sugar. Well, if you don't want to smell a candle now, at least I bet I've made you hungry, right? Okay, so that is what I chose for my fall candles, and would like to stop right now and go light one, but do I have a fire up here? No. Ooh, that was close. So after I was done shopping, and we're in the mood for fall, I had to run into Homegoods, and I wanted to pick up just a couple of things to decorate for the grandkids. We go over to their aunt's house on actual Halloween, but I still like to do a little decorating. So I purchased this is Halloween garland, and it's huge. It's big. It's kind of like, if you're my age, you remember the old that we used to stick to the windows, the old cutouts. This really put me in the mind of those. And they're different on both sides. And I thought they were so cute. And they're on ribbon garland. You can see that it's ribbon garland. So I'm going to do it over the archway between my living room and my kitchen. And it was $6.99. And it says that it is 8 feet with approximately 8 pennants. Actually, this shows you what the pennants are going to be on it. Let's see if I can. So, I picked that up. That's kind of fun. I'm going to go set that up. I wanted a little something for up here. So, how cute is this? This is also a vintage looking book thing. And it says Happy Halloween, the same on the front and the back. And then it has a spine. And it opens and it's a box. So I could keep secrets in it or something, probably lip glosses. And it's got a little magnetic closure. So cute. $7.99 at Homegoods. And I just thought, I mean, obviously I'm going to move things around, but I thought she'd be cute up here for Halloween. Like I said, I'll have to move things around. And I picked up one more thing, and I'll show you what it is and then tell you the story. All right, I'm going to unwrap this real quick. This is going to come with a really quick bonus recipe, and if you have any questions about it, just let me know below. So, I'm dieting again, and one of the things my husband and I really like in the evening after dinner is just a little something sweet. So I make something called pumpkin fluff, and I just take a can of pumpkin, not pumpkin pie filling, but just literally a can of pumpkin, and you mix in, I use 2 teaspoons of fresh pumpkin spice, and I use my hand mixer and beat it in really well, and then you put in a package of, and I use, and I know it's not good for you, you don't have to at me with the, I know sugar-free Jello vanilla pudding. You put that in there and you blend that in really well. And then you just stir in until it's completely blended a that size ounce, not the big one, but that many, probably 8 ounces, maybe 16. If you really need to know, let me know, but it's this sized one of Cool Whip. And you blend it in, and then you divide it into 4 servings, and it's only like 160, 170 calories per serving. It's good. It gets, when it sits, that jello firms up and it gives it that little sweetness, and you wouldn't have to use sugar-free. And the pumpkin pie spice gives it that real, it's just delicious. And I have little cups that I make them in, and I thought I would like something new. When I was at my Homegoods, they had this cute little set that says eat, delish, tasty, and yummy. And you know how they usually do these in stacking mugs? Well, this is stacking bowls. How awesome is that? So they're perfect. They're little sized. Let's open it and get it out. I haven't taken one out yet because I was hesitant to separate them. So they are little sized, and I thought they would be perfect maybe for the pumpkin fluff, but if not, just for cereal in the morning. And they were only, let me show you, they were only $9.99. And while they're not redone, done, they really had me in the frame of mind of her. So this is what it looks like. It's a little bigger than I thought. Yeah, we don't get this much pumpkin fluff. We probably get that much pumpkin fluff. Might have to find another use for it, but it was a genius idea while it lasted, and you got that bonus recipe. But this is what that looks like, and they are just so cute. It doesn't say how many ounces it is. If I were guessing, I would say 16. But so it just, I liked it, and I thought it would be super cute just sitting out for the holidays because it has that Halloween-y black, and if I like it, I'll probably just leave it out. Okay, guys. That is my little fall haul. So I got this nice garland and these pretty bowls, cute little fake book Halloween haul, and my candles. I'm ready. I just need Mother Nature to get on board. Let it quit being 90 degrees. How about you? Are you ready for fall? Is it warm where you are? Is this a universal? Is this happening everywhere in the country? Mercy, it is happening here. Whew. Thank you so much for coming by, guys. I hope you have a great weekend. Get out there and decorate for fall. Don't let Mother Nature keep you down. You do you. And I will see you soon. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out. And I'll see you guys really soon. Bye.